Huh? Where am I? Who are you? Exeter, what do you need? It doesn't matter now. Right now, I need your help. Why should I help you? You're evil. You killed everyone. You killed Costas. Yeah, but that's how I need. That's what we do for protection. But listen, that's not what I'm saying. I need your help. You need help with what? It's so complicated. But I'm working for the Heisers. What are coming for me, and I need to kill people so I can get an army. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. So I need to kill you. What? Why? It's because we need the Heisers to die. Oh my god, I understand that, but I don't know, it's such a hard choice. I know it's hard for you, bro, but when we kill the Heisers, you could be alive again. I trust you. Okay, now let me kill you. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I'm sorry, Static. I had to kill you. But you're gonna be one of us, okay? Just a bit of my magic. Ugh, okay, boss. I'm alive. I'm even now. So how are we gonna protect you from the Heisers? I do not know. But what I do know is you're gonna stay alive after we kill them. I understand. Wait, but one question. Is the Heisers stronger than you or powerful? Why are you afraid of the Heisers? I don't know. But seriously. Okay, I'm gonna kill them.